Here are the homework answers for the 713 preview. For each scatter plot below, determine if there's association between the points. Label each graph as showing a positive, negative, or no. If there's association, write a sentence describing it. So for part A, there's a negative association. So the more TV lowered the GPA. For B, there's a positive association. So the older, the more gray hairs. And for C, there is no association. Problem 30, make a graph of Team 2's data from problem 725. So we have the height, depth of the seed. So then I counted by 1's going across and 2's going up, so 324. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24 would be right here. 621. Nine 18, 12 12, 15 6, and 18 0. So then in part A, it says, draw a straight line in the middle, so trend line. Remember, line does not need to intersect each of the points. So I just kind of drew line. Use a line of best fit to predict when the seed is planted at 14 centimeters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's about 8 centimeters. What is the y-intercept? Interpret it. The y-intercept, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 is about 32 centimeters. And it's the height of the plant. That the seed was at the top. (31) During a given week, the museum attendance is shown in the table at the right. So first you want to find the median. So the first thing I did was list out all the data. So I had 400, 593, 680, 731, 861, 870, and 940. So the median is 731. Beginner quartile range, you take the quartiles, which would be 870 and 593, and subtract them. So 277. So B, the museum management needs to tell the staff members. The museum wants to have approximately 1 staff for each 150. So there's about, the median 730, so about 750. So I did 750 divided by 150, and I got 6 employees. And then you needed an explanation. Why is it scatter plot? Because the day-to-day, we're not concerned about that affecting, what day it is affecting the attendance. So the day, today, we don't need to know how that affects the attendance. Problem 32, simplify. So I did 2/3 between 0.8 into 4/5. So I get 8/15. For B, the 3's are going to cancel and I get 4/7. C, 4 and 6 will become 2 and 3. So I get negative 10 over 21. And D, I get negative 4/5 times negative 4/3. So I get positive 16 over 15. 33, solve each equation. First thing I did in this one was distribute. So I get 3x over 4 minus 8 minus 4x equals negative 1/2 x plus 1/4. And then I multiplied everything by 4. So 4 times 3 is 12, divided by 4 is going to give me 3x minus 32 minus 16x equals a negative 2x plus 1. So 3x is going to be negative 13x minus 32. So I'm going to add 2x to both sides. So I get negative 11x. Add 32 to both sides. So I end up with a negative 11x equals 33. Divided by negative 11, I get x equals negative 3. For D, I'm going to multiply everything by 15. So 3 goes into 15 5 times, so I get negative 25x plus 6 minus 5x plus 15 equals 0. So I'm going to get a negative 30x plus 21. So I get, minus 21. Negative 30x equals negative 21, divide by negative 30. So I end up with x equals 7 over 10.